Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start inside Roblox Studio or the website, log in now and head straight to Create, then Library or My Creations. Once there, switch the asset type to decal so you only see pictures, and apply the owner filter to show items you uploaded. Use the search box with a clear keyword. Make sure to sort by most recent if you want the latest uploads. This gets you to the first actionable list of picture assets you control, ready for the next steps. Once you click a decal, open its asset page and preview the image so you confirm it's the right picture. Next, copy the asset ID. You can grab it from the URL or hit copy ID if available. The numeric ID is essential for inserting the picture later. Also check permissions and moderation status. If the decal is private or not approved, you'll need to change settings or wait for review. Once done, you'll be ready to place it into a game or inventory. To add the picture into your place, open Studio, insert a decal onto a part or GUI, and set the texture field to assetted, / followed by the numeric ID you copied. Then use Explorer and Properties to parent the decal to the right object, adjust offset and size, and confirm 16:9 display ratios if needed. If the image doesn't appear, recheck the ID and moderation status, clear Roblox cache, and relog in. This single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.